I've got my Ipsy Glam Bag. So you want to see what's inside, and sounds like something's broken. So let's check that out. Stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracey. Chloe and Bandit are in the other room, but if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So this is my Ipsy Glam Bag. It sounds like something is broken here, but maybe not. Maybe it's just, no. All right, it's just a little spray bottle. This is the design. This is for August. And a little kind of tag there. The theme is Get Golden. And I do have some little info. There is a sneak peek. So for September, I believe it's almost September, they have an Eva NYC Stay Hydrated Leave-In Conditioner, a Tatcha, the Matcha Cleanser, and Moon Slice Beauty Lip Oil. Ooh, so I'm excited about that. All right, so outside of the bag was this. This is the Glow On Fit Set for Life Setting Spray. And this brand is cruelty free. This is a full size and it's a $25 value. It does have aloe extract and rich hazel. Next, by Tiger Love, is the Joy Face Deep Cleansing Facial Treatment for Daily Light and Glow. It has aloe vera, cell cultures, and hyaluronic acid complex. It's supposed to remove buildup while supporting hydration with aloe, glycerin, and hyaluronic acid complex. Bioactive lipids and botanicals help restore balance, leaving skin soft, smooth, and refreshed. I love the packaging. Oh, even on that, how cute is that? This is cruelty-free and PETA approved. The full size of this product at 140 milliliters is going to cost $68. Wow. This is 0.17. Next, by Clinique. I don't think I've ever seen Clinique Nipsey Bag before, at least none that I've gotten. This is the Moisture Surge Active Glow Serum. This is 0.17 fluid ounces. The full size, oh no, wait, this is 20 milliliters. All right, so this is 5 milliliters, and the full size of 30 milliliters is $49. It says it's a multitasking serum. It exfoliates, hydrates, and brightens all in one milky layer, powered by lactic acid, vitamin C, and hyaluronic acid. Now, I'm pretty sure lactic acid you use at night. Right here is this little guy. It's almost all the way full. So, not mad about that. I'm going to shine a little Clinique. Next, by Beauty Vault, is an eyeliner. This just is eyeliner. And it's a liquid eyeliner in black. It is a full size with an $18 MSRP. And it does say that it's jet black, waterproof, smudge proof, and stays crisp all day. So I am going to set this aside. This is better for a winged eyeliner look. And I just have too much kind of droop there. So it's just, I'm going to set that aside. I've got some liquid eyeliners, and I bet you might use about that. All right, and last, by Dr. Paw. What is this? It's a multi-purpose soothing balm with natural pawpaw. It's for lips, cheeks, and skin with a hint of tint, and it's vegan and fragrance free. This is full. This is a full size, it says, with a $5.25 MSRP, and it is in peach pink. All right, I'm going to open this up. There is how it looks. Now, you see that line right there? So yesterday I opened up my icon box and I had eyeliner in there and I put it on. Now I have showered, I have washed my hands multiple times today. It is still there. Ooh, that is pretty. So put just a little bit on. All right, so that is my glam bag. I don't think it was a bad one. And I'm actually like super excited about this cleanser and super excited about this Clinique serum. I don't really need any more setting spray. This is a great brand, but I'm going to set that aside. And I don't need any more liquid eyeliner right now. So I'm going to set that aside. Well, I'll definitely set that aside too. And, you know, the holidays are coming right around the corner. Before you know it, it's going to be Christmas time. All right. Well, tell me your thoughts. What was your favorite product? I don't know. I just really like the packaging, the tiger one, so it's project. But I don't know. Just let me know. All right. Well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. There's Bandit. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.